Alright, we're back. That one flew the coop. It's gone. Get the tire changer out of the way. Broke the tripod. Tripod tried to fall, catch the camera, and broke the tripod. So, that's no fucking good. Okay, so we don't need that, did we? Okay, so we got all this stuff here. There's a new one to lose. We're gonna have round 4 here in a minute. I'm gonna try to get this fucking thing together. Alright, hope you can see what I'm doing. There you go, new tripod. Alright. Let's see, do we got everything this time? No, who knows, maybe. Start with the stupid ass cable is still up out where they belong. Alright. Why that piece of shit fell out of there, I have no idea. But it did. Oh well. Throttle. This looks very familiar to me. I think we just did this, didn't we? Put in the correct hole, not the wrong hole. Hole in 1, not hole 2. There we go. Hole 1, 2. Get this up over here where it belongs. The electrical's now going to screw in it because it moved down. Because everything's hanging for a while. Okay, let's see if the new one will fit. Barely. Does not like fitting on cable. Okay, we're back to that one. Okay. This thing. Yank on it. Figure out which way it wants to twist. Somehow jam it up in here. A lack of space that we don't have room. Cable just flopped off. So one of them did. Let's see. At least we didn't lose the piece this time. Cable back in hole. No. Not yet. There it goes, sorta. Finger's not happy about that. Cable back in again. Switch housing is almost back where it belongs. There it goes, something moved. Something moved and freed up. Got it to go together. Okay. Let's see if we can get a screw to go in without losing it. Nope. Nope. This throttle mechanism is not happy. Does not like this damn throttle piece at all. What's watered up? Something's wrong. There we go. Okay, dumbass. Put the throttle where it belongs, not halfway around the tube where it don't belong. It's moved again. There it goes back over. Doesn't want to stay where it belongs. What a shocker. Prefers to be in the wrong spot where it doesn't fit. Before you get too far, make sure it works. Appears to be working. I'm shocked. Coming up with the throttle only. Screw feels like it's going to strip. Probably will. Quit torquing on it. It will strip. Okay, all got clearance, so it should work. Okay, cables. Should they work again? Appear to be working correctly, so they must be connected. I'd hold the cables and work the throttle, but they're full of sharp edges. I don't want to do that. Okay, these are in the wrong spot, but we'll have to deal with that in a minute. Okay, this stupid ass pieces here can go up here where they were before. We're going to do our routing. We're going to go behind here. Twist it around. We got to come back around through here. So wrap it around the throttle with the mirror. Come back around again. Like that. And go back down through here. Like this. A noisy band outside is going to start making noise. Boy, I think I get surprised when my bike starts up. Screw them stupid noise bastards. We'll give them some new noise to listen to. Good noise. Okay, there's that. Now I go back under here. Through here. Let's see, we're going to go on this side of the cable. Through here. Through there. Over here to the bike. Alright. Still kind of works. Alright. Success. 4 attempts. It's there. Okay, now this is the return cable. This has to go inside of here before you can put the other one in. The springy dingy has to go in there. This one has the bad cable on it too. That has to get over top of that cable. So that has to go in there. If you don't put that in now, you'll never get it in there. This other side can hang down, but that one has to go in. And of course it's going to screw with me now, so we'll just pull it out and redo it. Okay, that'll just sit there and piss me off. Okay, this is the one we're going to have to hook up for sure. Try not to wrap these up on other stuff. Okay, it's best to go down here and hook it up into the throttle down here. So it has to go in over here, this one here, before you do anything else. Where's the camera going to sit? Got no tripod anymore. Stupid thing got broken. Rub it over here. Who needs no stinking tripod? We got a bolt drawer. Doesn't quite work very well. Yeah, you kind of see what's happening there. Yeah, it's going to fall over. I'm kind of dealing with the bolt drawer. I'm fucking dealing with it there. I dealt with it. New tripod aid. Piece of wood. There's that noise. Okay, that's a good angle. Maybe. Okay, so this cable here has to be put down in here. Be nice to see something. Flashlight used to be around here somewhere. It disappeared. Possibly get to. Can't get to it very well. Yeah, quit fighting the damn thing. Take backing plate off carburetor. Don't fight it. It's easier just to take the damn thing off. You got access. Do the damn job. Be done with it. We gotta work on this thing anyway, so what the hell. Okay, there we go. Now I got access, kind of. Not much, but a little bit. Okay, in hole, push with finger. Cable has to snap, pop in the groove. Then you got to rotate it around, stay on the piece where you want it, open the throttle up, put it in there. You're good. Now if we get too far, go up here and adjust the cable. First you probably should put this one in. The throttle sticks pretty bad. We're not going to allow that. The cables will work better on this. We're going to have to redo it all. Okay, I might have to redo this anyway to even get this thing in here. Cable to go in. Just flopped off. Stupid noise outside. Okay. It's in. Okay, now I can adjust the cable up top here. Okay. Adjusted. Okay, those are in there. These are all up in there. Okay, now you adjust this one out to get your free play. We don't have much free play there, so let's give it some free play. Okay, there's our little bit of a free play. Right there, that should be enough free play. Okay, you go down here. Make sure that goes wide open. Very important that that goes wide open. If that doesn't go wide open, there ain't no use going anywhere. Okay, that appears to go wide open. We still have a little bit of free play in there. I like free play. Okay, now you take this other one, which you have a lot of free play with, right here. See, it says free play in it. Oh, I can't watch. I went to fill the film in here. Okay, so this has some free play. We got to take this and deal with it. Okay, these are going to be in the prow way in a minute. Get all this crap out of the way. Okay, so I can go ahead and adjust these ones up now. Okay, adjust it way on out. When you start losing your free play here, you don't have enough movement. Okay, now we take this and turn it. It's not sticking yet, so that means there's still got more to go. Okay, it's starting to stick a little bit. So you look at the cable, see there's no free play in that thing? It's tight. The throttle's starting to get a little lazy. That's because we don't have any free play in the system. Now you back off the idle one to get some free play in the system. So you got a little bit of free play on that cable. Still isn't much though. Not really enough for the whole system to work correctly. For some reason these throttle cables are working pretty damn good. I don't know why. Get some more free play. Okay, so you got a little bit of free play in there now. Nice instantaneous return. Okay, now we're at full lock. This is not what we're riding at. we're riding over here. Pretty good here too, and then you go full out the other way. And we still got free play in here, see? The reason it doesn't make much difference is because the cables are dead center. They only flop from here to here, so see, it doesn't really change anything. Other bikes, it makes big changes. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, if you don't like all this free play, you can take some of that out if you want. I'm good with that. I like free play. The wide open is very important. I can't tell if it's wide open or not because I put my fingers in there to tell. We're not getting full throttle. The throttle goes further. Can't have that. We've got to take some more free play out over here. Full throttle. Check it wide open. Okay, there's no free play though. Give it a little bit of free play. Just a little bit. Make sure you're getting full throttle. Still are. Give it a little more free play. Not getting full throttle. Take free play out. Full throttle is more important than free play. We got free play in the other part of the cable. You gotta make sure you got some free play down here, otherwise the throttle will be hung open. So this throttle is barely getting full throttle. Okay, there should be enough clearance in there to make it work. So I was checking with this to make sure this cable right here has a little bit of clearance in it. Because it has to go back to idle. If there's no free play in there, it won't return to idle. So I moved it that much more to get full throttle. That's how much we were lacking full throttle. There's no free play in the system, you can feel, but it's there. You have free play here, see that free play? Because you're full open, you can see that cable goes limp. Yeah, we're just not getting full throttle. This throttle assembly isn't really getting what we need for a throttle, but it just made it. Alright, so I think I'm alright with that. I'm going to lock those down right there, and it should be good to go. Okay, I go get some stuff to finish this up. We'll be back.